Our prime focus for this year was to set up a turnkey setups for the hospitals, basically because the healthcare industry is growing in the African region and there's too much of scope at the moment. So we are specializing in turnkey hospital setups and dental products because dental is one area where Africa is not concentrating too much upon. Dental care is not taken care of. So we have some wide range of dental products which we are focusing on the African region at this moment. See, first of all, the most important thing is that FICCI has been a very good initiative what they've taken to set up an Indian pavilion in Africa. This gives us a better chance, better audience because it's under the FICCI banner and they're promoting it quite well. I would really thank all the people from FICCI India for taking up this issue. And the thing is that South Africa being the biggest market in the African region. So our focus was to certainly try and enter and see what products we can sell more here and what more products we can launch and focus on this industry. That's why we have come here to see what we can do.